Today we have the 2018 Toyota CHR. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 56,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our setup, vehicle settings, media, navigation, and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. Just below our gear stick, we can switch to EV mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.